the great plan of God, eternal plan of God as a church njengebantu esikwazi ukukholwa singalazi icebo likaNkulunkulu. The first and the foremost thing let's look at the bigger picture. This is what we must know. Impilo yomuntu is an eternal plan of God. Kwabunecebo likaNkulunkulu laphakade, the eternal plan of God, which stood mysterious, elagcwaliswa through the mysterious plan of God about Christ. Christ uyicebo likaNkulunkulu, uyi-mysterious plan of God eyayizofulfilla the eternal plan of God. Hence umuzwa uJesu ethi mina angizimi ukuzochitha ngizogcwalisa. Right, icebo likaNkulunkulu kumuntu. Genesis chapter 1, masikhuluma ngoHoly Bible, lentethi-ke Genesis 1, Genesis 2, Genesis 3. Umuntu uNkulunkulu uyadala la ku-1 and 2, chapter 3. Umuntu uyawo icebo likaNkulunkulu lasemaphakadeni because chapter 1, chapter 2, it's an eternal plan of God. Kwakuyicebo likaNkulunkulu laphakade okuwukuthi ukube kuthiwa aliphazamisekanga kuGenesis 3 lalivele liqhubeka continually. There was gonna be men and women bese beyawugcwalisa umhlaba, be fruitful to multiply, babe yileyanto, baphile number of years ababeyoyiphila kodwa beyiyo leyanto. So icebo lama kanjani then when the plan was corrupted noma interrupted, mangikhuluma kanjani Genesis chapter 3 ifika inyoka, a serpent turned against women. Icebo likaNkulunkulu liya-corrupt noma liyalimala. But in Genesis 3 still kuleyonda uNkulunkulu had a solution already because he's a God of solutions. Hayi ukuthi lambhedeke. UGenesis 3 uthi inzalo yowesifazane iyochubuza usithanda lochubuza ikhanda lakho nenzalo yakhe iyochubuza ikhanda lenzalo yakho. So it's from the woman and the seed of the woman. Then nenyoka nayo nelokhu ukuthi ibhekile yayideclare ukuthi izoba phakathi kowesifazane nenyoka. Owesifazane uzobhekana nenyoka, inzalo yowesifazane izobhekana nenzalo yenyoka, if you read the Bible correctly. So what has happened here, mhlawumbe lo wesifazane okhulunywa ngayo akukhulunywa ngo-Eva esewile ekhesini, ukhulunywa ngowesifazane when he was still pure and holy and clear. The woman that God created and formed in his own image and likeness, yiloyo owesifazane uNkulunkulu ayikhuluma ngayo, yilowo ayizochubuza ikhanda lenyoka. Ngisho ukuthi if you don't know the eternal plan, it is hard ukumasterisha the mysterious plan, because uma ungayi-understandanga i-eternal plan and have an interpretation yakulahla lapha ekutheni kwenzakalani in the beginning. Genesis 1, 2, 3. In chapter 3 there was already a solution. So uma ngabe ujamba uza ngapha ithi owesifazane noma inzalo yesifazane iyochubuza ikhanda, then it will explain to you that God didn't just say I choose a virgin. Wayethi ukhetho wesifazane pure and holy and sincere kahle kahle, because that women, the pureness of a woman, it's virginity. Ngokwesikhathi sokuphila kwabantu benkethi uclean upure noma ke naye ayizalwe ngasi spirit lesokuthi uyinzalo yenyoka because uqhamuka from the bloodline. That is why uJesu efika njalo umingelo usifika ithi ke blessed thou art Maria ewena ondronjani ubusisiwe esifazaneni, because he had to be blessed because wayezela uMaria naye under the curse, and for her to be that woman okwakhulunywa ngayo kwakubizwa ukuthi ususa i-curse phezu kwakhe. Then how do we remove a curse? We speak a blessing. A blessing cancels the curse. So then they show in the laws, it wasn't just a greeting. Kwakuyinto ethi I bless you to come and be and feed and be the piece of the great plan of God, which we call the eternal plan of God. So Maria was translated. Mary was transcended from being an ordinary woman like all other women, like an ordinary girl that was born now under a curse. He was blessed and translated back to divinity so that he shall be married. And the woman abe yiloya wesifazane lo okwakhulunywa ngayo ukuthi uNkulunkulu inzalo yakhe yochubuziwe. Then from that woman, then a seed had to be planted. uMary wabusiswa wasi-translate ku-divinity. Then uJesu umconceiver engemuntu, enge-humanity but ewu-divinity. So that's how he managed to conceive uNkulunkulu. Wayengekuyi-conceive leyanto wayewumuntu. So i-blessing leyayisho ingene, it wasn't just a blessing, engakhulunywa noma umuntu umuntu athi hawu yabo mhlawumbe noma thina sesingasibusho sithi kubingelela kuni lokho hawu yabo Maria wakwabingelela bafethu kwashintsha izinto. But on the transcendent lapha phezulu kwi-mysterious plan ithi this is what was happening. Mary was being translated okwakuzelwe kuyinyama, humanity was translated to divinity, so that divinity only then could she conceive leyanda. He became the woman okwakuthiwa uyochoboza ikhanda lenyoka, and then lokho ayizokhulelwa was gonna be the seed of a woman that was gonna conceive, that was gonna trample nayo eyayizochoboza ikhanda lenzalo yayo yonke inyoka. So that's a great plan of God, and unless you know that, it is very difficult to ukulandela lento kaNkulunkulu. You ask many questions, then awazi ukuthi ufundelani, because yonke inzalo kaKristu after that ifundela uNkulunkulu, angithi abantu basisho. So you cannot read the Bible unless you know what you're searching for there. Fanele wazi konje ngizofunani eBhayibhelini, yini lento engizoyifuna. I'm making an example, ngifundela ukuba accountant, I'm working into an institution, University of KZN, mhlawumbe ngiwalka into the university. Uma ufika lapho what the university does, bakunikeza i-prospectus, bakunikeza i-brochure ethi these are the causes offered. Njengoba ungena ngaleli sango ngalomnyango ungakhetha la ukuthi wena ufuna ukufundela kuba yini, and by the time you walk out of here you will be an accountant, you will be a doctor, you will be a lawyer. But if you walk in here uyazi into oyifunayo, uzothi ngifuna ukuba yi-lawyer, then uyakhonjiswa, you serve in that department, unikezwe incwadi. So they cannot just give you any book, and you can't just take a book and say ngizofunda incwadi but angazi ngifundelani. Lento engisho ukuthi about these days we need to know ukuthi why uJesu ayithi singama-disciples obuNkulunkulu. We are being under the discipleship of being God again. Lonto ethi-ke njengoba ithi sibusisiwe, blessed are those who was blessing and translating okuzelwe, wayechoboza ikhanda inzalo yenyoka echitha the spirit of a serpent kubantu laba bamlalele ukuthi ozoba kanje uzokwazi ukutranslateelwa ngabo. You are translated to divinity. So if you're working into an institution, you want to be a lawyer, uyabuza ikuphi department yaka-law. Then when we have registered, because ukusindisa umkela uJesu, that's a registration. You are registering, working into an institution, we are uregistele into ethi ngizofundela ukuba umeli, I want to be a lawyer. Then these are the points needed and everything. But ufunda, you need to know ukuthi ngifundela kuba yini. Ingakho ke at the end of the day we need to know ukuthi salvation is about that. Uma kuthiwa sifundela kuba wonkulunkulu, God the man again, because a man was God in his own image and after his likeness. So man was God. Nalo wesilisa nowesifazane okushiwo babe wonkulunkulu. So uma ngabe umuntu ethi uyasindisa uregistela leyo nto, you are a student, we are registering to be uzofundela ubuNkulunkulu uqala at lower level, first year, second year, primary, high school, tertiary, uzungene lapho. Uma ngabe ummeli ke zofunda umeseregister kahle kahle unikezwa ama textbook, uthola student card, you are registered. Lento ethi usindise umamukela uJesu, uyakholwa uJesu enhlizweni yakho, uyakholwa yilento. So isuke ikhona into ke wayizwa ngokuba ummeli, wawusuzwa ubuhle bokuba ummeli. Mhlawumbe wazi ngisho ama-benefits ukuthi uma ngummeli uzongisiza ngani yabo, ukunika siphi status quo emhlabeni, ngizosebenza kuphi-ke futhi, mhlawumbe futhi ngizohola namalini. What are the benefits of me being a lawyer? Mina as umuntu status sami, my identity izoshintsha. I'm a lawyer. So already ukuba yilo usuke ezwe zonke lezo zinto. Njengoba-ke nevangeli uma lishungelwa vele umuntu usuke ezwe washungeza ubuhle bukaNkulunkulu, masithi walidandizwe kangaka wanikela ngendodana yakhe ezeleyodwa ukuba ilo okholwa yangabhubhi. I-contact ubhubhi, when we preach usenza lento ekuthiwa orientation eyenziwa ama-institution, that's what we call evangelism embusweni kaNkulunkulu noma ebandleni kaKristu. It's when somebody goes and orientate people and canvas abantu azothi kukhonto kanje enje kuyaphuma abantu-ke kuma-institution baye ema-high school bazothi sizofuna abantu, siphethe ama-prospectors ethu, sizothi ukhona ukusinawo ama-course athile, khona ilo, khona ukuba udokotela, khona ama-departments ahlukene, what do you want to be? Bese umuntu echazela ukuthi le course le inhle ngani nani nani, izokwenzisa umuntu ayibonele ukuthi iyangivumela. So evangelism is that orientation eyenziwa institution ukhipha abantu, hambani notshela abantu ukuthi kukhona institution ogama la UKZN. In UKZN nazi izinto ezitholakalayo. Uma ngabe uyiyo leyo nto usuyijoinile uregister, this is what you're going to be, uzoba ileyo nto. So bese kuyachaza ukuthi ummeli usebenza phi, ummeli wenza ini. Bese umuntu eyidecide khona engineering what does it do. Omunye avela athi ayi mina ngeke ngikwazi ukusebenza kanzima, angifuni, ngifuna umsebenzi ozongijikisa ngesitulo, I wanna work with papers and books. Yabona nje ummeli unento ethi mina ngikwazi ukusebenza ngamabhuku, ngiyathanda ukufunda, so I like reading books, so angeke abe engineer ngoba uthanda ukufunda amabhuku. So then uyazi ukuthi njengamanje oba ngiyibopha at high school, ngiqala first year ngiyibophela ekutheni ngiyowafunda amabhuku, ngiyoze ngiyofa ngifunda amabhuku, ngoba umthetho uya-upgrade, umthetho uyashintsha, umthetho uyakonsantwa. Ukuthi wake wafunda ekuqaleni akusho ukuthi usuqedile, akuqedwa vele ukufunda. Umthetho uya-upgrade, umthetho uyashintsha, constitution are being changed, ummeli uyazi fanele awushintshe indaba yakhe. Uma ngabe kuthatha another umbuso, mhlambe another president, unama-bills akhe kade nigwebe ngawo abantu last time, but this time athi awagwebe, amanye kade nikhulule ngawo, umthetho benikhulule ngabantu, this time uyabagweba. So is the salvation, bazalwane. Into esibuyo injalo, into kaNkulunkulu inento ethi we keep upgrading, we keep listening. Then ke thina ke, who's the lokunja, the president, uMongcwele ositshela ukuthi how do we handle this, masifika kule season siyendishe kanjani. This is the 5 year of Ramaphosa's governance, this president's governance. Yena uthi in America nampo Trump unento ethi mina in my governance, in my presidency, mina ngithi this is what I will sign. Ngisayina lezi zinto lezi noma ngathiwa lo ophumile ubeyisayini. That's how we need the Holy Spirit ukuthi ke asisebenzise. But coming back ke kulento ethi you are a student, you are registered, unikeza into bese uyayifunda. But uma ufika esikoleni suke ziningi incwadi, I mean textbook. A textbook must be prescribed to you. Uma uyithenga incwadi uthi le ncwadi ngifundela ukuba ummeli, incwadi engizofunda kuyo, out of this book shall come out a lawyer. So does it goes. Yabona into engisho, niyabona inibazana ukuthi thina asinayo into orientation right ethi as I'm taking the Bible, being given the Bible, out of this book le ncwadi iyona ezengenza ngibe uNkulunkulu. Njengoba kuthiwa sesingoNkulunkulu, in Christ we live, we move, we have found out. And how do I find myself? Study the book. How do I know? How will I know ukuthi I have discovered myself? Ngizokwazi ngani sengizitholile? Ngizokwazi ngani now I'm in him? Ngizokwazi ngani now he is in me? That's how we say study the book. But you cannot study the book unless somebody is standing in front of you. And you need a lecture. And that's why we say there comes teachers, there comes people abamambulayo, abambulele naye. Umuntu ofundisa ama-student lawyers esikolweni kwi-institution, umuntu oyi-lawyer na in another level. Wothi ngihambile ngigogodile futhi ngisaqhubeka nami ngiyafunda phezulu, angeke kuvele kusuke nje a-student lawyer naye ifundisa ama-student lawyer. And that's a mistake we have done. So umuntu naye usazi ingxenyana, wazi u-first year no-second no-third, mhlawumbe une-3 year degree, usethi ufuna ukuzofundisa-ke laba bantu, vele he can teach them according to the level of i-revelation yakhe masisho la njengokwazi kwabo. But ukhona umuntu the lawyers okuthiwa basebenza ema-high court, yabo okuthiwa-ke labo bantu ama-case la asetshenziswe la areferwa kubo in the high court, ikhona i-qualification emqualifya ukuthi ahlale lapho, agwebeke icala okuthiwa ligwetshiwe lapho. Uma uthi umuntu ngidlulisela phambili, as much as isigwebo siphumile uyarejaji umthetho ngiyawuza, but ngicela ukudlulisela phambili. Bese uthi lapha phambili kukhona omunye umthetho o-exercise laphaya othi-ke hayi esisicubungulile le yanto yase-high court can override into yase-regional court. I-high court has got the authority to override into yase-regional court noma kade ligwebile. Ngangokuthi ongalidluliselanga kwi-high court angagcine gwetshwa la nalelo jaji futhi ligcine li-right, kanti ikhona into ebingenzeka. Okay, coming back-ke kulento ethi we carry the Bibles, we read the Bibles, but kuyingozi ukufunda iBible ungazi ufunani kulo, because you don't just, you can go in there and read for ukwazi. But ke mina nginento ethi I feel ukuthi ke even ufunde, yabo umuntu efunda esikolweni ukuthenga incwadi, like ngenza example ngami when I was studying cost and management accounting, khona incwadi esasiyithenga yaka cost accounting. So leyo ncwadi wawufunda ngayo ka-first year naka-second year, but kwa-first year the very same textbook khona ama-chapters wawuwafunda owazi ukuthi awaka-first year as a first year cost accountant mina ngizofunda la ngigcine la. But i-lecture eyayikutshela wona ikutshela ukuthi we're gonna read isyllabus yethu ithi sifunda sigcine la, but that didn't mean ukuthi the book is finished, you have read all the book. The same book uqhubeke nayo uye ka second year, the same book ngaze ngaqeda na u-third year, because nje iphethe konke, but kuyahlukaniswa kuya-approach ukuthi as a second year usungakufunda ke lokho, but as a third year you can't study into yaka-second year. U-third year uno-syllabus yakhe ukuthi ke ukuze siqualify la sithi usungaphuma and we give you a diploma in cost and management accounting. You can go and cost account the books now of the companies. You see, you have read this whole book, and when you have read this whole book in understanding, we know ukuthi ke awuzukulenza iphutha. Uyiyo lento uma kuthiwa we graduating to we ordain you are ordained now to be a cost accountant. We are giving a license ukuthi you can now cost account. If you are a financial manager, we are giving you a license. You can now do the books. Siyakuthemba based on what esikunikeze khona. So is the Bible. Mhlawumbe ngifuna ukuthi ke the Holy Bible lifuna into enjalo. Liyileyo nto ethi uyalifunda umuntu kuye ngokwesyllabus, kuye ngokonyaka. Limlungelo osanda kusindiswa ukuthi alifunde, but uyayidinga i-leader ezomfundisa. But ke coming back to this eternal plan elikhulu and the Messiah's plan, engithi sicela ukubambula uChrist because uKristu fanele ambule. Ithi ke indaba eternal plan kaNkulunkulu ile kaGenesis 1. Genesis 1 verse 26, uNkulunkulu wayethi asenze umuntu ngomfanekiso. UNkulunkulu babuz-expand. Kusho ukuthi kwakuphuma uNkulunkulu wayefuna ukukhipha uNkulunkulu kuye ozobonwa ngindalo ayidalile, aphinde athintwe indalo. uNkulunkulu visible, uNkulunkulu changeable, uNkulunkulu audible. Isizathu why we needed that God, it's because yonke into ayidalile emhlabeni yayivela from the audible voice of God. So it's only the audible voice that can keep this together. Umhlaba ubanjwe yizwi by the voice. So it needed a God, and it needed a God ozobamba. How is that person going to be? It's a voice. It had to continue with the voice. Fanele kube khona umuntu audible olokhu ekhuluma too. Yonke into ayidalile emhlabeni was tangible. Uma i-tangible ithinteka, kusho ukuthi into ebonwayo, ethintwayo, into ezwakalayo, ngithi yabo. So uNkulunkulu, unfortunately, God is invisible. God was spirit, and when he was spirit, he had to form a container. Yabo. He was extending himself as a visible God. Umasingasho kanjalo. Waye eze enza uNkulunkulu ozobonwa, uNkulunkulu ozothintwa. Indalo ithi nangu uNkulunkulu wethu siyambona, nangu ekhuluma kithi uNkulunkulu wethu, ngoba thina siyindalo ethintekayo, siyinto tangible. So we had to be touched. Fanele kube khona uNkulunkulu esimbonayo, ngoba thina sibuka kanje sifuna ukumbona, angabe umoya kithi thina sibe in bodies. Mawukhuluma ngendalo iyilwane lezi abonakala, ulwandle liyabonakala, amanzi athi thina siyathinteka, siyabonakala. So we need a visible God. Yayidinga uNkulunkulu onjalo. So that was God's eternal plan. Then uNkulunkulu wayenzela uNkulunkulu wayonke ozoba yikho okuthintekayo kwakufuna uNkulunkulu wayo othintekayo, okuzwakalayo okudinga kwakufuna uNkulunkulu okhulumayo, okunjani, audible, tangible, visible, yes, obonakalayo kwafuna umuntu. But God was invisible. Then God will come and see and check this God every time. So labo bantu wabenza kanjalo. uNkulunkulu ke okuthiwa Adam, lithi iBhayibheli uNkulunkulu wambona ukuthi unesizungu. He couldn't manage the whole thing alone because wayeyedwa this kind. Yabo uNkulunkulu yedwa la mhlawumbe. Then umemenzela lo umuntu athi uzomsiza, he was making another God that they were gonna help each other to govern the earth. Yebo wayenza omunye uNkulunkulu abazosizana naye nabazobonisana naye. Iyo ke lento enza uEva mayesembonisa uAdam esewili wambonisa wrong, but wayenza uNkulunkulu abazobonisa will govern. You go to the other side, I go to the other side, when we meet together. So besihlangana ngento, and that is exactly what happened. uSatan as uEva had gone the other way, uAdam waya kwenye indawo, uSathane wamqhamukela ngale, inyoka yamlinda ngalesikhathi uAdam esahambile. Uma bebuya kufanele babonisane ukuthi wena what have you seen. uEva owesifazane wafika esephethwe kwakhe, so wabonisa indoda ngaleyo indoda ke thinking ukuthi imbonisa njengoNkulunkulu, ukuthi ngoba vele sijwayele ukubonisana, wena usuboniswe ke uhlangane nalento yakubonisa kanje, fine, then basebehle, then they were care. So icebo ke lapha zamseka lapha, it's when God uNkulunkulu umuntu, God the man, listen to ilokuthi enqothwa indalo ayekade bizela ukuthi yena akazogavuna kuyo. Right, asiyekeke le sibuya si. Then there were these two people, a man and a woman, ngokwesiBhayibheli, Genesis chapter 1. uNkulunkulu lo muntu osemhlabeni, whether he's a man, whether owesilisa noma owesifazane, uNkulunkulu, because uNkulunkulu wabaphefumulela bobabili. God didn't say uAdam akaphefumulele uEva, So as much as there were different images, but they were coming off one image. Ilende explain into why kwathathwa ithambo lasuka ku-Adam leza ku-Eve. It's because they were of the same image. But i-likeness lokuthi it comes from God vele. Ubaphefumulela uNkulunkulu oyedwa kodwa osemzimbeni ebukeka ngokuhlukana. Engathi imizimba emibili ehlukene kodwa uNkulunkulu munye, again taking another body, eveza omunye uNkulunkulu oyenye form. Where do we get that? Ubuka idalwa eziwu-4 ekuthiwa lezi idalwa zonke zibizwa ngegama elilodwa, zonke zenza umsebenzi owodwa, but they are different creatures. Esinye sinobuso bomuntu, esinye ubuso bemgonyama, yabo sinobuso bomuntu. They all creatures, they all doing the same thing, but every time God does something, wenza into ethe ukuthi lo munye umenza ubuso, uyakuthanda ukubuka kanjani ukuthi now that I'm making this angizokwenza into eyodwa efanayo, because ukuhleplela inkazimulo yakhe ehlukahlukene ukuthi ngifuna ukubuka ngibangibheka ngakuwe ngibona into enje ukuthi okay kuhle nakulokho futhi ngiphinde ngibuke obukayo abuke into ethi it takes your gaze away, yabo, it caught your attention. Wow, the glory of God. Kuyini lokho isidalwa sezithi it's a living creature, isidalwa sezulu lesi, how lesike sinjena, then you glorify God. Inkazimulo lesi sinobuso benkomo, lesi sinobuso bengonyama, lesi sinobuso bomuntu, into eyodwa kanjalo njengoba nengelosi zihloswe. So even esenze emhlabeni, that is what God was doing. He wasn't just trying to make us differ, but kwakuyilento ethi usekhipha okunye kokunye, ngisenzile isidalwa sawubuso bebhubesi, sawubuso bebhubesi. Okay, let me make another one. I need a second one. Wasenza sawubuso begonyama. Yabo, it was uNkulunkulu ethanda doing the same thing. So is exactly what God did to umuntu. Uma esenza umuntu omunye ethi okay, ake ngimenzele omunye, wayenzela ukuthi lo mebuka lo athi we admire each other, like how when unje yabo when ukanje, but there was nothing wrong. SingoNkulunkulu sobabili, we're not different. You know, into ayibenza bangakwazi ukuyibona behlukene ilento ethi the spirit of the Lord was upon him. The uNkulunkulu babuphakathi kwabo, njengoba idalwa ngezezulu lezana lapha uNkulunkulu zingeke zisho ukuthi lobo bobuso mina ngithanda ukuba igonyama, lokho ngonyama kuhle kakhulu, kuhle konke, because it all has the spirit of God. Kunomoya kaNkulunkulu munye. Yilento ke efuna uNkulunkulu mayithi ke umoya kaNkulunkulu okubo bonke ophakathi kwabo oyabo okubo bonke. It's what God wanted, because if one spirit was in all of us, singaba munye, sibe uNkulunkulu sonke sibe munye. Bese kuba ukuthi ke ebunyeni lobo we can be able to work together, move together. Athi uNkulunkulu ngibona umuntu, whether you black, whether you white, whether you colored, whether you Indian, whether you female, whether you male, whether you Jewish, you Greek, you Zulu, you English, you Sotho, we are all one, and the only thing that can make us one is the return of the Holy Spirit. Ebuyele emntwini kumuntu nomuntu kungena umoya kaNkulunkulu, kuthiwa there is one spirit. Abantu abasebenza munye umoya. If that one spirit can enter any other man, abuyele kuwo wonke umuntu, we will be one, because the only thing engabenza ukuthi abe munye sibuyele kule yanto yakwi-eternal plan yileyo ethi ke kudingeka umoya munye, uNkulunkulu munye. Things must go back to that one God. That's a plan of God. One God, one Lord, one Spirit, and one faith. Kubuyele ke kahle kahle kuwo wonke umuntu. Bese kuba ukuthi ke ekugcineni kwakho konke ke icebo likaNkulunkulu lithi la owesifazane alokhu nje khona awakhona uMary, njengoba ngichaza uMaria was blessed. I-blessing eyayikhulunywa kuyo, it wasn't just isibusiso lesesinika nasona kulezi insuku. Ilento ethi I translate you, I transcend you from humanity to divinity, because lento ekufanele yenzeke kuwe angeke yenzeke, ifuneka iyenziwe kuNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu ufanele akhulele uNkulunkulu ufanele abe nembewu yobuNkulunkulu, and mina uNkulunkulu ngathi the seed of a woman. So it had to be a woman. So that woman had to be translated from humanity to divinity. Before then, how does a seed of a woman trample upon? The seed as well must be the spirit. Yingakho akuzukuba ukuthi uJoseph must impregnate uMaria. uMaria usawudivinity, njengoba kuthiwa iBhayibheli selithi uJoseph akamthintanga uMaria, kwazi ngoba ingoba wayengavumelekile vele ukumngcolisa. Ukumngcolisa noma ngathi umshado ubusisi wayezobe emngcolisa ngobuntu, because he was human. So uJesu uMaria was now translated esewomunye umuntu, other than umuntu ozelwa abazali bakhe yabo. Translated from her genealogy, wayengenzalo yomuntu, wayesenzalo kaNkulunkulu. He had to be that woman through that blessing. And then from the woman, the seed of God had come. uNkulunkulu ethi umoya kaNkulunkulu uyozabuka, kwase kuzalwa le seed. Then-ke angithi yabo manje mawubuyela kuGenesis ake sithi awukakufundi konke lokho. Then Genesis chapter 3 nansi yenzeka leyo nto. Let's do away with the period of how long it took. Mhlawumbe ngoba kufanele uqale wazi, you're getting a brief overview. Yabo mawufunda i-textbook iba nento ethi la iqaleni ikunikeza into ekuthiwa it's an overview, because what I'm giving you, it's an overview. I-overview-ke ikutshela nje konke ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. By the time you finish reading this book, this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna come across these things, brief. Ekugcineni bese ikunika into ethi at the end of the day, when you finish studying and reading this book, uzobe uthole into enje, iphethe ini lencwadi, iqukethe ini, so that when you go uyoyifunda usuna into ethi what am I expecting in this book. Ekugcineni kwakho kule ncwadi ngithembise ukuthi nizothola inani laphakathi. So that's an overview of the Holy Bible, of the book called the Bible engisho, an overview of the eternal plan of God. Ukuthi uma sazi leyo of overview. So if we go back now to Genesis chapter 3, le nto eyenzeka kuMaria engiqeda ukuyichaza, then sekutholakala emhlabeni lo yawesifazane uNkulunkulu akhulume ngayo kuGenesis 3. Mhlawumbe kuthathe for instance uma kufuneka kusondeze ucabanga kwakhe eduzane, into ethi uNkulunkulu wayengakwazi ukuthi ngakusasa lokhu akwenze after many years, wayengakwazi uNkulunkulu ukwenza ngakusasa. Lapha khulume khona inzalo yesifazane iyokwenza ukuthi izokwenza ukuthi wayengakwazi uNkulunkulu ukukwenza ngakusasa. Awuthathe ngokuthi he made it the following day. After lolo suku nje uNkulunkulu ngakusasa waqala wenza le process. Angithi iBhayibheli lakho siyalifinqa manje. Useyenza i-process, because if we look at this indaba kaMaria, nansi i-process usekwenzile uNkulunkulu nangu uwesifazane emini. Uselokhu nje ungowesifazane uyayinqoba inyongo, ngithi ayisondelike kuye vele, ayikho indlela. Upure, uholy, uyikho konke lokhu uNkulunkulu akushoyo. uNkulunkulu has blessed him and translated him. Ukumtranslate ngivumele ngithi njoba ethi umoya kaNkulunkulu uyozabuka, the Holy Spirit returned, the Spirit of God which made umuntu waba yi-likeness kaNkulunkulu wabuyela kulokhu nje kuMaria ngalesa sikhathi. To this woman there is that spirit ngoba to umoya kaNkulunkulu uyoza phezu kwakho, and then namandla kaNkulunkulu ophezu kwakho abe seyakusilekela. Then it is the spirit that will do that. It is first the word and then the Spirit of God. Then-ke uMaria kusho ukuthi wayesenjengaloya muntu wesifazane owayemile lapha ephefumulelwe uNkulunkulu, ukuthi usemphefumulele ungowesifazane wasukuma wema ensimini yase-Eden before the fall, before the curse. He's a blessed woman that stood. And then this is what happened. The word of God said, kukhona into ezozalwa lakuwe. Izwi lakhuluma lathi lento ezozalwa lakuwe ingengcwele. It's a fulfillment yalento uNkulunkulu ayisho. Then that is what was conceived. Inzalo yowesifazane. Jesus is the seed of that woman that was promised. Ilento engithi lento ke ikwi-mysterious plan ukuthi he was that seed. He wasn't just a Messiah, mhlawumbe njengalokhu ayeprofethiwe ngaphambili. He was that seed of a woman. Mary was the woman and Jesus was the seed of the woman. So igoqeke iBhayibheli ithi iyochoboza ikhanda lenyoka, ikhanda lenzalo yakho, ikhanda lenyoka. That is exactly what. So uJesu uzalwa nje vele. Uyileyo nto ethi icebo likaNkulunkulu elaterminateka noma elaphazamiseka emabhakadeni lalizofezeka ngalesa sikhathi. Yingakho uma ufunda iBhayibheli, then we come back sesilapha ngithi ku-New Testament la kulokhu nje khona kwenzeka khona le ndaba kaMaria nani. And then-ke mhlawumbe-ke siyakubona ukuthi ingelosi yafika yathi mhlawumbe that is a process esiyithathayo. So the seed of a woman and the woman yaba khona, yayisiyazalwa yaba khona. Then leyo nto yayisiyaxhoboza ikhanda lenyoka. It had to trample upon the head of a serpent. Leyo nto ke eyenzeka kuJesu ke, how did he trample upon the head of a serpent? Yilento ethi ke Jesus was born, wakhuliswa, wazalwa. Uzalwa vele akanayo imbewu, akanayo i-element phakathi kwakhe. As much as yonke inzalo eyayizelwe ngentando yenyama nendoda, okwazalwa after a woman was cast, uEve, ukuphila okuthile. Kahle konke kwaqala ekusiwe. Uzalwa nje kuyanda gcwalisa umhlaba, kwanda isiqalekiso, kwanda a curse, kwanda abantu abaqale kusiwe. But what happened is ngoJesu kuqala inzalo entsha kaNkulunkulu, seqala a new nation, mangasho kanjalo, a new generation. Mhlawumbe ngifuna ukusebenzisa le gama, kuqala inzalo kaNkulunkulu entsha. It means lokho kwakwenzeka ngoJesu was the recalculation of the miscalculation eyayenzeke ensimini yase-Eden kuGenesis 3 ethi wayevele umuntu wesifazane ezozala, and he was blessed to give birth, abeseyani azale inzalo eclean, amultiply yonkulunkulu ngoba babe wonkulunkulu bona. So wayevele wesifazane ezomultiply ubunkulunkulu bugcwalisa umhlaba. So njengoba ezala uJesu uzala ubunkulunkulu lobo. It's a recalculation, a miscalculation eyenzeka ensimini yase-Eden. Then wazalwa uNkulunkulu. Mhlawumbe sengenze ukuthi nocabanga ukuthi uJesu akasiyo uNkulunkulu. How does he become? Waye uNkulunkulu ezelwe, wakuzala uNkulunkulu emhlabeni. Then bonke abakholwa nguye, ngithi konke ngobani, makuthiwa siyinzalo kaKristu, siyinzalo yobuNkulunkulu, sizalelwe phezulu phansi kwalobo buNkulunkulu, sesiwonkulunkulu nje kumultiplier onkulunkulu bagcwalisa umhlaba. Manje njengoba kwakushiwo in the eternal plan connotation njalo ukuthi uNkulunkulu noma uNkulunkulu wayefanele ukugcwala umhlaba wonke, awubuse awunqobe, makugcwala nje into engama living beings nama creatures anjengathi ezabantu, kwakuwo uNkulunkulu laba ababegcwala bezogcwala umhlaba. So after the fall akugcwalanga bona, kwagcwala abantu. Into ethile, it's a mixed breed, into ebreeding, inzalo ke yenyoka. Ingakho uJesu mamuzo shumani ethi inzalo yenyoka, inzalo yamabulu, wayengathuki inhlamba. Wayethi into enenza noma nifuna ukulunga ningakwazi ukulunga, ile nto enizelwe kanjalo. uDavid ke being the prophet, umoya kaNkulunkulu ukuye, uDavid uthi bheka umama wangizalela esonweni, wangithabatha esonweni, ngazalelwa ebubini and all that. It's because wayebona ukuthi noma ngingabambana noNkulunkulu kude kangakanani, ngazana noNkulunkulu, but I found myself kukhona ububi obuphila lapha phakathi kwami, angibazi ngena ngaphi. Ngoba uNkulunkulu ngiyamazi, ngiyazi into ayifuna, uthanda inhliziyo ehlanzekile, uthanda inani, uthanda ukulunga. Sengibhalile futhi nami ngalobela abantu, sengibafundisile futhi abantu, ngabatshela njengenkosi yabo, this is how we serve God, this is the kind of the God we serve. Lo nkulunkulu ungcwele, lo nkulunkulu ulungile, lo nkulunkulu ukutsha bo unje. But how do I find myself doing this? Then I identified that umoya kaNkulunkulu ke kuye uprofeta yena through yena into ethi no, kahle kahle ngiyayidetecta le nto ukuthi when I diagnose myself ngithola ukuthi yingoba ngazali, there is an element of evil, ikhona i-element yenyoka, i-DNA yenyoka ekumina, because ngazalwa umama. That is why uDavid noma ngathiwa wayeyizwile into engathi iyasondela ecebeni likaNkulunkulu, makuthiwa eselikhonzile icebo wala, he couldn't be because of indlela ayezalwe ngayo. uNkulunkulu lapho engakayilokhu nje plan, wayengakayenzi recalculation ye-plan, as much as he kept on trying ngabantu abathile. But ke ngoda futhi ngicabanga it came so close, but ke kwangakwazi ngenxa ukuthi wayezaleke ngaleya ndlela until God came with a plan and said, now let me go and implement my plan. The eternal plan iyodwa nje ukuthi kwasekuzalweni lomuntu akavela azalwe engenayo lembewu, ukuze noma ngathi uSathane usefuna ukumnika kuba ukuthi ayikho yona imbewu kuyo, ayikho iDNA, ayikho element yokona kuyo, akakazazalwe nangayo. Ngoba sometimes uSathane usuke uyofuna leyanto azalwa emntwini kwala noma umuntu esekholiwe abamba izambulo ezinkulu, but the devil uyafika azogcina imbewu yakhe, azothi kukhona i-element yabo uzalwa usibani. That is why ke kungena lento ethi simele ukuzalwa ngokusha. Lithi ke ongazalwanga ngentando yenyama nendoda, nathi uma sifuna ukuyotranslateelwa ngani, we need not to be born of the flesh and the blood. How do we get over that? Because sekuzekwenzeka uJesu ke wafikela lokho. Ingakho ke kuthiwa asikholwe nguye, masikholwa we get translated from humanity nathi to divinity, ukuthi asazele ngantani, angisazi umuntu, ukuthi umpostoli angisazi umuntu ngokwenyama, angisazi umuntu nje ngokwenyama, abesethi ngikhethile nje ukungazokunyeke ngaphandle kaKristu ebeje. Mhlawumbe it's not the revelation, it's not the knowledge nje, it's a revelation knowledge ethi uma ngingaqala manje ngithi ubaba nomama ubani, njengoba uJesu masebembiza lapha yasebethi umama wakho nobaba kubabizwa abantu senifuna ukungibuyisela inyama, uma ningake ningibize ngapha bese ngiyavuma manje kahle kahle ngizowa, I will fall from there and come back down here, ngizothi ke sengingomunye. I'm not of them, bayazi nami ukuthi angisiyo lo, abesethi my father is in heaven, yabo mina nginobaba, yabo ngimele ukubo ukubaba. Ubaba uyangazi engakhuluma ngaJoseph kodwa ekhuluma ngobaba wakhe, because wayelinke noma connected to that God, born of God. Njengoba kuthiwa konke okuzelweke uNkulunkulu kuyalinqobisa. Uyayizwa eternal plan, uyayizwa mysterious plan ukuthi leli cebe lapha kade lisobala, libukeka ngathi lisobala kodwa lisemfihlweni. Lifuna abanikazi balo abazolichaza bahlalise kahle umuntu ukuthi konje ke leli cebo lithi angeke vele ukwazi ukumlandela uChrist unless you have been translated, unless you have been transformed, unless you have been transfigured. It goes with the three T's. Your mind must be transformed. How do we get the mind to be transformed? Somebody has to teach. Somebody has to reveal Christ. Uma ngabe reveal lo ombulayo ofundisayo, unokha down the stronghold, uchitha ukwazi nokucabanga komuntu, uchitha ingqondo nokuhlakanipha kwezwe, uchithaza chithe lokhu owazalwa ngakwakhulizwa abazali bakho, akuchitha ngasikhathi efundisa uanointed akuhlakaza ukuthi mina ngazi ukuthi umuntu uba kanje, mina ngazi ukuthi umuntu uma ikhula kuba kanje, ngazi ukuthi uma ina 7 uba nje, ngazi ukuthi uma ina 8 uba nje. Look, all that it must be knocked out because those are the strongholds of human reasoning. So the person who specializes in transforming the minds of the people, that person ufanele kube umuntu ogcotshelwe ngoba who's anointed to do that. Naye himself, he must have this revelation ukuthi egcineni what was God's overview, the plan of God in its overview liphelele egcineni kwakho sizokhipha abesethi umuntu uma ekade nalokho abesethi no ngikhipha lokho ngifaka lokho, I replace this with this, I replace awutheli khona, awukwazi ukufaka ukhonkolo phezu kwendawo engacentwanga. Funeka kube umuntu ocentayo uthi how nalokho ku wrong, yes it was wrong, nalokho ku wrong, yes it was wrong. Ku wrong from ukuzalwa abazali bakho, from the point akukhombisa ubu wrong bakho la wazalwa khona, wazaleka kabi, wazalelwa esonweni, wazalelwa under a curse. Ungekhesi yomndeni wakho noma ngathi umndeni wakho unezimali ucebile, you are still under a curse. A curse ayibonakali inhlupheko yasemndeni wakho. I-curse ukuzalwa uzalwa outside of God, outside Christ. That is a curse. Ileyo curse lokhu yaqhubeka nomuntu uze kwa so as ushunyayela ukungena uJesu uthola isibusiso, wamukela isibusiso, uyabusiswa ku remove i-curse emphezulu, ususa isiqalekiso esiphezulu kwakho, uyagezwa. Yes, ukho konke lokho kungcola ovela uzalwe uyinzalo. The spirit of a serpent departs from you. Umoya wenyoka uyakhishwa kuwe bese ngena umoya kaNkulunkulu by accepting God. The mind is transformed. It calls for a person to be transfigured. Ngisho umzimba wakho uqulwe isimo sayo. Ingakho kuthiwa ke I urge you and I beseech you ukuthi may you give your bodies as a living sacrifice. Nikelani imizimba yenu ibe ninikele ngcwele because it takes both the content and the contain. Umoya nakho konke lokho kunye it's a content. I-content ukuze ihlale kahle idinga i-content. I will support my statement again ngalento kaDavid. Kade ngisho uDavid had the content, but kwasho ukuthi i-content eyayisiphelele ibuke ngathi sekuyingathi uNkulunkulu sengakwenza ngaye noma uNkulunkulu sekwenzile ngaye. I found a man after my heart, yabo. So engathi usekwenzile kodwa kwasho ukuthi i-container crush konke lokho iyahamba ikumosha. So that is why it takes both the content and the container ukwenza leyo. Why we need the transfiguration ukuthi sinikele imizimba ukuze i-container nayo iyosetshenzwa ibusiswe, i-translate, i-transfigurishwe ukuze ilungele ukuyithwala i-content, otherwise ihambe ichithe. Because what we see happening in the church today, God has put together a good content, a very good content, the best into ephelele. I-content ubiza ugcobo uNkulunkulu asinikeze lona iyo yonke into asinikeze, that's a content. But kubonakala i-content ichitheka makuthiwa imvama iyaqhuma ichithe wayini i-content iyachitheka, i-content ichithe ukukhala abantu hayi wena lihle kangaka ebelilihle kangaka. It all went to waste. It's because the container irefusile kulokhu nayo iyadingeka iye laphayana, because yonke lama containers, if I speak of the containers khuluma ngemizimba yonke yazalwa emva kokuthi umuntu kade seqalekisile. Those are two different bodies bazalwana, imizimba emibili ehlo. Omunye lo yamzimba uAdam no Eva babenawo, omunye lo mzimba baba nawo after the curse. So lo mzimba eqalwe yaproduced after the curse iyadinga ukunikelwa, ibe unikele ephilile nendlela ethande kaNkulunkulu ukuze ikwazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu bayibona wena on the same body. Athi ke ngolo mzimba wenkazimulo, ngoba lo mzimba yayimzimba yenkazimulo. I see the glory lo mzimba engibona wenkazimulo, ngingakwazi ukuthatha into yami engcwele bese ngiyifaka la, ngoba nalo mzimba usuzile. Angithi ngakho ethi obhalayo ngiyancenga bazali ukuba ninikele imizimba yenu ibe yiminikelo ephilile nengcwele. Angithi yabo ephilile nengcwele bese lento ethi ngcwele, then if it's holy then God can deposit into engcwele kuyo, akakwazi ukufaka into engcwele entweni engcolile. So ileyo nto why the bodies, there must be a transfiguration, unikele nomzimba wakho. Yingakho ke bazali ingekho lento ayisoze yafita kwi-eternal plan of God, into ethi akusho lutho ukuthi ngenzani ngomzimba wami. It's just the body, inhliziyo, uJesu usenhlizweni noma umoya wami uyakholwa. No, kusazofahlazana lokho, kusazochitheka lokho ocabanga ukukhona. The container has the ability ichithe konke, ikulahle phansi kudliwe umhlabathi njengamanzi achitheke angeke azamuthwe ilutho. Ngenxa yokuthi imvabi iyakhoma ichithwa. No matter how best you can boast about your wine, ukuthi you have the finest wine, it doesn't matter. It might be fine now, but I tell you, in a couple of years, in a time, esikhathini ezayo from now, leyo nto isazochitheka. That is what we have seen. Sibabonile abantu ababizwa uNkulunkulu, sibabonile abantu kade evalele izinto kubo, sibabonile abantu kade begcotshwa. We have seen our containers failing us. We have seen i-container fail, into enkulu, into ethi lento angazi ukuthi yayiyochitheka kanjani, but we have seen the container failing the content. Bese i-content isale iy'ntazela kanje emoyeni inento ethi ayisenayo indawo. Because for me ukuze ngenzeke in Jesus there was Christ, ukuze ngiphumelele kahle ecebeni kufuneka kokubili, ngoba ukubuyisana noNkulunkulu kwakufanele kubuyele both the body and the image and the likeness of God. So makufuneka kubuyele lezo zinto eziwu-2, kufanele kubalulekile ukuthi umuntu abe nelokuthi nomzimba uyanikelwa basilwane. Alikho ecebeni kaNkulunkulu ayiyokungena lento ukuthi umzimba wakho wenze noma yini, it doesn't matter those kind of bodies, because the eternal plan of God ifanele kubuye kokubili. Yingakho ke lithi iBhayibheli ulizwi wenziwa kwaba yinyama wakha phakathi kwabantu. He had to be flesh. There is a reason why this battle had to be in the flesh. Makuthiwa the seed of the woman uyochoboza ikhanda lenyoka, inzalo yakho nayo ichoboza ikhanda lenzalo yenyoka. So when kukhulunywa ngaleyo the seed of the woman, it had to be in a body ngoba impi yayisemzimbeni. So you cannot walk around this planet Earth and say it doesn't matter what I do in the body, because you are saying now God didn't have to be visible. Yazwa manje you are trying to cancel i-plan kaNkulunkulu eni-terminal, audible, unchangeable, uvisible. Lezi zinto ey'ntathu ezi-establishele umhlaba ezazimisa umuntu ayenziwe ngazo, other than lokhu ukuthi wathathathwa wabunjwa wenziwani. Kwakuyilezi zinto ey'ntathu that God was putting together. So now if you're gonna turn around and say it doesn't matter ukuthi enyameni nenzani, no, you're still not gonna fit in the perfect plan. Noma ungamazi kangakanani uKristu, you're not gonna fit. It means when you are saying mina I am the spirit, I'm not the flesh, ngalendlela le ethi ke angisinyama ngumoya. And then again the problem is uma kufanekiwe kwi-battlefield, a body must fight, a man in a body must fight. Yingakho ulizwi aba in the flesh, word became the flesh because of that. And uma elwa uJesu waba senyameni, akabanga kumoya, waba inyama. He was both ehamba emhlabeni. So impi vele injalo, because khona la kufanele kufike iliwe umoya, bese kuba khona la ithi isiliwa inyama, wozwe inyama. You were made flesh, you are the image of God. So ke uSathane ufuna ukuma phambi kwaleyo nto, yena vele wayinjalo wathi nami ngangena emzimbeni, nawe kufanele ungene emzimbeni uNkulunkulu, bese sihlangana usemzimbeni. Ileyo nto eyayiyimpi phakathi kaNkulunkulu noSathane. Come in the flesh and come in the neze enyameni. Lapha kwi-battlefield angithi makwenziwe i-recalculation kuba nento ethi kwakukade kunjani, then it must go back kube kanjani. I came in the flesh, nami ngangumoya. Kwasho ukuthi lo mhlaba lo awungivumeli intathe njengomoya, ongakuvumela. So I had to find a body of a serpent, umzimba wenyo ungene kuwo, bese ngisebenza ngawo. Ngasebenza ngisemzimbeni, ayiphindi ihlangane emzimbeni. Mawuthi ngizoqhotshozwa ikhanda, I have to be in a body, and nalokho kuzongichoboza nakho kube semzimbeni. So ingathi bazali i-wrong lento yokushumayela into ethi akusho lutho ukuthi ngenzani enyameni. The spirit, you're still not gonna conquer in this battle. 2, you're not gonna fit as a piece in the big puzzle of the eternal plan of God, because yingakho lokho kwenza uNkulunkulu enza uKristu ebe yinyama, uJesu abe yinyama akhe phakathi kwethu, ulizwi abe yiflesh. He could have spoke the word ukuthi I remove the curse upon every man, let the curse be removed emhlabeni. Then ke umisuka i-curse, then we all become lokhu uNkulunkulu akufuna. But i-battlefield impi yayideclariwe, and then we had to come back and fight in this battle. Simitha all the requirements, yabo njengama-box. Uma ezolokhu kuyasho kufanele ube yilokhu njengaka, ube kanje. This is what you need, other than ukuthi usibani bani wakasibani bani. Indaba ithi fanele ube this heavyweight champion, i-weight yakho mase God kuba nama requirements afunakalayo from you abizwa ukuthi kufanele ube yilokho uphinde ube yilokho uphinde ube yilokho. So that is the bad. As much as sibuka lapha sibuka ngathi kwakwenzekile, but they are to picture it as Genesis 3 mayithi uNkulunkulu inzalo yokwenza lokho. Then kwase kuba khona istadium esikhulu njengoba suke siyobuka ama games, kwaba khona istadium ekhulu, a boxing ring where kungena uSathane kungena uNkulunkulu. Njengoba kuthiwa Christ came to destroy all the works of the devil. Eternal planation njalo, it was a battlefield. Okwakukuyo lapho uJesu was in the battlefield. As much as sibuka ngathi wayephila ehamba emhlabeni ehlenyuka enza konke ehamba, but it was the battlefield, a battle that was declared ukuthi I challenge war. So asihlangane empini, inzalo yami izolwa nenzalo uNkulunkulu noSathane, inyoka inzalo lokhunjana inzalo yenyoka nenzalo kaNkulunkulu, because mathiwa the seed of a woman, uNkulunkulu wayikhuluma ngoNkulunkulu umuntu ukuthi ke lezi zinto zizoqhathwa again, ayibuyi iqhathwe bese kuyabonakala ukuthi ke ubani ozothi. That is basically what was happening. There is an overview of the whole plan. Into ethi ke you have to be translated from divinity, from humanity to divinity. Uguqul Maria baguqul ukuze bakwazi ukufitha in the plan, be a piece of the puzzle in the bigger plan of God. Kanjalo nabo bonke abazalwayo abazalwa uKristu Jesu, they have to be translated. Bayadinga uguqulo bazalwane, uguqulo kusimo sengqondo, imizimba yethu nomphefumulo wethu. Most common translation, it's our spirit. Umoya wethu unikelwa kuNkulunkulu ukuze ubuyiselwe emaphakadeni. So basically iBhayibheli lisho njalo. Ingakho ngithi uGenesis 1, 2, 3 and then it's the New Testament. More ngayifundela ama-focus with how he was born, how icebo came to life, how the plan was implemented again, because ukukhulelwa kaMaria mhlawumbe lento ebengiyichaza ngoMaria noJesu who they are. So leyo nto, that is why mhlawumbe for while we still in that, one can argue ke manje, usengaqala ke manje uku-argue ukuthi ke why I say uJesu akafani nabanye abaprofeti, akafani nabanye onkulunkulu abavuka, angeke akwazi ukufaniswa nenye into, because he was the plan and iplan yakhe uNkulunkulu ayifailanga, yaphumelela. So God didn't have to do it again. Uma sethi umuntu hayi phela uNkulunkulu uphinde wathumelela abasuthu uNkulunkulu wabo, nalapho waphinde wathumelela obani uNkulunkulu wabo. He can raise prophets, they can be prophets to the nation of the Sutus, they can be prophets to the nation of the Zulus, they can be prophets to the nations of the Xhosas, as we still have prophets even today, but they can never be Christ. They can never be like him. They were not born like him. They can never be him. Abakwazi ukuma kanje kwalingana. Lokho kwabo kungaphansi. Kuyinto ethi kungaba prophet, kungaba ama disciples mangasho kanjalo boma kuthi uJesu umefika kwabe senza, but we argue the point ethi then uJesu ungamfanisa nobaniki ukuthi uthi ufana naye ngoba noma kungenzima ngaliso uyena owashona. Jesus permitted men to do that. Uthi niyokwenze ngakwenzayo nangaphezulu, yabo. So angeke simcompare ngokuthi ufana nabanye, because they do many miracles. Benzima uJesu angazenza, it's fine, it's still biblical, it's still according to the plan. Vele wena angizile kakhulu ngeyimangalisi mangitho ngishiyela nini neyibonakaliso nizozenza nina ngoba nizobe senithopa nina ngizonibambela one thing epiyothi senizenzile ibonakaliso still uSathane akwazi ukumbamba. Mina I will go and face the devil. Mina I will go and face it. I will go and fight in the battle and bring the victory. Ingakho ke ethi ngiphethe ihluthulelo zokufa nezihayidesi ngiyonilandela amandla. Why death ke ngoba lempi ke idinga ke leli cebo sililandele ngenxa ukuthi ke uNkulunkulu waqalekisa umuntu. Uma emqalekisa umuntu wayethe uyofa nokufa, umuntu wafa. So kwakuswelekile ukuthi uJesu aye elokhunjaneni ekufeni ayo remove the curse, yabo, ayo remove the sentence, ngoba isentence ayilokhimi lwethu uSathane balungile noma bangalunga oDavid. Ubaxolela bathethela udala inhliziyo bamosha uphinde bavusa, kodwa ekugcineni kwakho konke beza la kimi unginikile amandla phezu kokufa. Then ke ukuze uSathane aphuce yonke into in the eternal plan for death sentence to be cancelled, it called for somebody owayezokwehla ahamba afike alwe lapha athatha ukufa akwembathe konke ukufa kwalolonke uhlobo lwaso sonke isono, ukuthi anyone who will die because of sin, and though engathi sin is cursed, owonileyo is cursed to die, umele ukufa kwaphakade kwadingeka umuntu wayezokwehlela ke kufeni kwaphakade afika ayokhansela leya sentence and remove the curse of God. Isigwebo esasikhishwe uNkulunkulu emva kokuthi umuntu esemqale kusile ukwakufuneka umuntu wayezokwe. Then uJesu waya lapho wayengayili ukuyofa but wayeyogwetshwa ukufa kumgwebe nabo abeselwa nakho bese kuba ukuthi ekumgwebeni into eyenza wayinqoba isentence wabuya toli lento ethi akufumaniswanga sono kuyi kanti the curse of death and the judgment and the sentence of death was upon sin owonileyo then ke uye is sentenced to death. So uJesu ufika nazo zonke izono kodwa kwasekutholakala ukuthi asikho isono kuyi kwasekuzalweni kwakhe akazalwanga ngembewu yesono. There was no seed of sin from ekuzalweni kwakhe nasekukhuleni kwakhe ke kwenzeka akenzanga sono. As much as umhlaba womgweba eyithole zonke kwakuyisymbol yokuthi zonke izono zibalelwa kimi uma ibalelwa kimi ngizokwehla nazo ngehlele kufeni zinento ethi I'm sentenced to death but uma ngifika kufa ngizofika ngivule ngiveze imvelo yami ethi mina anginaso noma ngenziwe ngaba nesono kodwa isono anginaso kahle kahle bese usathane ke naye yabheka ukuthi wena Sathane kade ngabe emhlabeni did you manage ukungithemta mina ngize ngolesoneni. Impendulo yakhe uyena ijudge no bese ethi phoma nje lezi zono ke engehle athi lezi zono zonke akusize ezakho wena unaso isono because phela uyena owayelinga abantu ngesono bese ethi wena noma ngakulinga but awuvumanga angiphumelela I didn't succeed. So lezi zono zene zobani ezabantu no kanti it's possible ukuthi kube khona umuntu ohambe esenyameni esemzimbeni basanwana wahamba waze wafika ekufeni bese kuba ukuthi ahambe esenyameni angasenzi isono. Yes, it's possible through Christ. uSathane wasayina amaphepha what I hand over the keys because I have found a man who walked in life for 33 years without sin, without blemish. So isibusisa esithole ekuzalweni sibuye kuze kube phakathi said the sentence of death was cancelled. That is why ke uJesu then I will be the lawyer ke manje sengizoba ummeli ke wabo bonke laba abantu abonileyo uma bekholwe egameni lami they will be acquitted of sin. Isentence ayuba khona banommeli obamelana ethi ke noma bonile ngenxa yokuthi izono sengize ngabafela because kade egebisa ikhandefu wayengafi ngoba kufanele usho ubafelile bonke wafela bonke abaphilayo ukuze bonke abaphilayo bangabe besayiphilele kodwa abaphilele yingakho ke ethi okholwa uye akasayi kufeni kodwa ongakholwa vele ufile nentukuthelo kaNkulunkulu isasephezulu kwakhe akadlule ekufeni uyebhujisweni. So it's a matter of choosing. Umuntu uyazikhethela ke lokho. That was the bigger planning. The eternal plan of God was for man to be God again. Bese about Christ is the mysterious plan of God. This is how God did it. Bese about iHades ke what we say about Hades. iHades iyo yonke lemphefumulo yonke imphefumulo yayifa iHades iyo ni Hades. So uJesu eHades uya ngoba uphethe imphefumulo yabantu kahle kahle yonke lemphefumulo yabantu ila eHades ulande nani ngithi manje wafa isono siphezulu kwakhe simembe kusho ukuthi umbethe yonke lemphefumulo uphethe yonke lemphefumulo yabantu. He went to Hades but iHades malifika when the Hades lizibona izono zabo bonke laba bantu lingakwazi ukubathotha but manje zihleli kumuntu ongenaso isono. Manje when they want to torture his soul they couldn't ukugweba umphefumulo because his soul was innocent. Umoya wakhe uzelwe yena ngomoya. So the spirit yabona umoya umphefumulo wakhe kwatholakala ukuthi ungumphefumulo ophilayo akusiwo lo mphefumulo efana kwabonakala eHades ifika umphefumulo ophilayo ongakwazi ukufa. That is the soul kwabonakala eHades ifika umphefumulo for the first time ophilayo ongakwazi ukufa but manje lo mphefumulo uthi ngilande yonke lemini imphefumulo mina ngumphefumulo ongafiki. So iHades couldn't keep him lase limnikile ukuthi la sign like asikwazi ukugcina for the first time kukhona umphefumulo ofike la esingaqualify ukuthotharisha nesingaqualify ukugcina. Ingakho ke kuthiwa uphethe ihluthulelo zokufa neze Hades because where the soul of a man even noma ngathiwa indoda umuntu wayizalwe elunge kangakanani walunga emhlabeni engabulalanga umuntu engantshontshanga waze wayofa but uma ukulunga kwakhe kungesikho lokhu ukulunga kaJesu kahle kahle umuntu onjalo ungumphefumulo ofana. Why ezoyisihogweni? It's because uzelwe ngembewu yokufa uzelwe ngembewu yenyoka uzelwe vele sekuthiwe bheka umuntu waba ngumphefumulo ofana. So ukuthi ezalwe be umphefumulo ofile This soul vele iqhamuka from Hades. Hades lokhu iphefumulela nje abazalwayo, Hades iphefumulela abazalwayo, Hades iphefumulela abazalwayo, Hades iyaphefumulela abazalwayo. Akekho umuntu okwazi ukuya ezulwini ayolanda umoya. So ozalwayo nje noma ngathi I stand to be debated. Ozalwayo uzalwa unomphefumulo weHades. Kahle kahle unomphefumulo weHades. So uma ezalwe nomphefumulo weHades, into ethi ke izulu langakaze mamloni liphefumulele umuntu after that. A man was getting his soul from another man. A man was getting a soul from another man. Amen. Base bephefumulelana bodwa. From the danger uEve qala ethola ingane yokuqala babephefumulelana bodwa. Kwangesi uNkulunkulu wayephefumulela umuntu. So umuntu wayomphefumulo ofana kuhamba nje generations from back then kuze kube manje ungumphefumulo ofana. Ungumphefumulo ofana. So ke from then up until uNkulunkulu azaphefumulela uYesu, it is only Christ owaphefumulela, because uNkulunkulu uthi ke mina lo angizuvuma ukuthi aphefumulelwe uMaria, neither will I allow ukuthi uJoseph aphefumulele. I will give him my spirit. That was the first time a living soul came to existence after Genesis chapter 1. That was the first time. Land umuntu abomphefumulo ofana khona kwaqala ukuthi kutholakala umphefumulo ophilayo. So this soul uhamba uzufika eHades. Mawufika eHades lithi eHades asikwazi ukumukela ngoba wena uveli kithi. As much as yonke lenye inzalo yayivela kithi, but asikwazi ukwamukela ngoba awuzalwanga nangale umphefumulo abanye abazelwe ngayo. Abafayo bezelwe bewumphefumulo ofayo. Uma befaka imphefumulo yabo must return easily. So manje owakhasaso ubeka because akusiwo vele wadleka. That is how the paradise came to existence. That is why iHades elingakwazanga umgwela uJesu. Then uJesu lapha wayeseba lento ethi ke iHades njengoba ethi ihluthulelo zokufa neze Hades zikini. Hades that we are seeing for the first time uphila. Kwakudabula uphila eHades ngalesi sikhathi. Umphefumulo ophila wabonakala useHades uphila. Mhlawumbe ke ngivumeleke ngithi wafu kwaphefumulela ababefe belungile kodwa kuwukuthi babezelwe ngomphefumulo ofana. So he breathed life to them. Uma ethi I am the life, he breathed life to them. Ingakho kuthiwa kwabonakala imimoya imphefumulo laba abalungileyo ivuka kanye naye ujabo. Those wafu kwaphefumulela laba ababelungile kodwa laba abanye vele ababenzeka basale eHades. Ingakho then wasekudathula iparadise because those souls were still dead, but noma befile enyameni besithele ngomzimba, but imphefumulo yabo iyaphila. So yayingeke ikwazi ukuhlala eHades. So kwavula iparadise, and Jesus was the first. Angithi uthi ke ngine paradise mina njengoba ethi ke ungikhumbule embusweni wakho uthi namuhla ngizoba nawe in my paradise, because this selelesi ke esasisho njalo sathola ukuphefumulela ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi nje umphefumulo wakho uphuma manje wena you are no longer going to join lemphefumulo efana elapha eHades, kodwa usuya eparadise along with me. Mighty nizoba now along with me, I will be with you in paradise. There is the bigger plan and the bigger picture. Ileyo nto kahle kahle eyenzakala lapha ngalesa sikhathi lento ethi kwabonakala a living soul ifike eHades. Manje makufanele bamgcine wathi konje sombeka block because asinayo indawo yabantu abafana nabo. Imphefumulo njengale asikwazi ukuyigcina la sihleli nokufileyo la. God gave us ukuthi okufile ngezala imphefumulo mawufa kufanele uze lapha. Now asazi ngalokho because awuzalwanga kunjalo, awuzalanga under that, uzalwe kanje and uhambile emhlabeni akanasono esinamathele phezulu ebese ngambulala njengoba uyawuzwa iBhayibheli isono siyabulala. Yabo umvuzo wesono umphumela wesono i-judgment yabo yesono ukufa, isono sibelethe ukufa, sizala ukufa. So yena he didn't have sin himself. So kwakuyokwenzeka agwetshwe eHades ukube noma azalwa ngomoya kodwa ukube wazenza izono wanika isono phezulu amandla phezulu kwakhe wavuma samnqobo wayothi uma efika lapho afike esewumphefumulo ofana, because noma angazalwa ngomoya umuntu uma ephinde wavumela isono saba namandla phezulu kwakhe automatically immediately ngaleso sikhathi uba umphefumulo ofana. So bese kuthi vele ke your soul start taking a journey to Hades. Vele mawufika eHades, iHades libheke okwalo lithi awuthi sikuphokeje njengomuntu engeke lithi sicinga ini bese khona into eyenza ngapha sicela ubuye ngapha bese futhi liphinde likuchecka likuscan lithi no yazi asifumani lutho okwethu, then you can proceed to paradise. Ubona ukuthi uyaphi. Ileso ihluthulelo uJesu mayithi ihluthulelo the keys of Hades and the keys of death are in me. Nokufa kwafuna ukumbulala But put is the living soul. Because if your spirit, you have a living spirit of God inside of you. It's an eternal spirit. It's an eternal life spirit. Umoya opila phakathi ongayikufa. So as much as the body was dead, but wayengafanga. 2 umphefumulo wakhe angisho usuzwe le-hides but asifumani ukuthi esithi kungagcina la umphefumulo so proceed akubona ukuthi uyakuba mayifika lapha kwatholakala ukuthi-ke vele-ke akukho lapha angagcinwa khona nokufa ukuthi awufile nje wena uyaphila, your spirit is alive. Njengoba sithi-ke long live the spirit of Christ, long live owavuka kwabafile. Then-ke he qualified uJesu ukuthi angavuka-ke aphinde aphile abe khona bese phila phakathi wavula lowo mgoqo. This is the eternal plan of God. And then every Christian and every believer needs to know this. We need this overview. Then I have an overview. When you read the textbook in the overview, what to expect from here. Is it good? You have to the overview. But as you read the overview, that is why said before, the book of Revelation. Ungakakwazi lokho kusekuqaleni because uhalela ukuyobona ukuyozwa izinto ezithile kanjani kanti manje you haven't mastered the introduction, you haven't mastered the content ephakathi nendawo umzimba wale ingqikithi yalento esikhona. Now you want to go and read and preach the Revelation, then you're going to find yourself in trouble because uzodideka uma ungavela uthatha isambulo sikaJohane. So that's an overview yecebo likaNkulunkulu lasemaphakadeni. What did God have in mind? Bile ana ukuze umuntu umena le overview as land uyokwazi ekhambeni kwakhe yabo awuyukudinga umuntu akugade sonweni awuyukudinga umuntu akugade bubili uyothi mawucabanga umzimba ukuthi lento engiyicabanga ingidonsele hides. So I don't want to go to hides and I choose to let go. Yingakho noma ungalinyazwa umuntu banento ethi angikwenzeli yena nento ethi nje ungangidonsele hides kwethu ufuna ukwehlisela umuntu ofuna endaweni yabafilayo mina angifuni ukwehlela lapho ngikhethile. So you happen to forgive people not because they are forgivable, not because they have said forgive us, but unentethi ngikwenzela mina ungangidonseli nje ehides ngoba uma ngadabula manje ngehides ngizofike ngisale ngenxa yale ibala enginazo. I don't want to go there. You see, akekho umuntu ozogada omunye, akekho umuntu ozokhuza omunye. Ukulunga uzokuzenzela kunento ethi kodwa I've got a goal, but uma ingekho into obukela kuyo njengoba ngithi the journey of Christ ukuthi icebo likaNkulunkulu Christ because sibukela kuye njengoba kuthiwa asibe abalingisi bakaChrist bese ngiyakulibala ama-debates, bese ngiyakulibala ukuthi mina ngikholwa kangcono, bese ngiyakulibala ukuthi hayi leli sonto linjani leli linjani. Bese umuntu bayoma nje as an individual I myself if uJesu nahamba yedwa wadabuleda wakwazi ukwenza uNkulunkulu bekhomisa nalokho. Sometimes we think we have to be a majority, we think kufanele sibe inamba ethile group of people. You can go alone mathi indoda nezelwe yodwa. You can go alone, travel agent. I'm following Christ in his footsteps. Labeke khona inyawo ngiyabeka kunzima yebo inyama ivuma but uyitshela inyama ngicela ungangibambezeli. Ngiyacela nje ungalibali ngowenu nendawo. Mina I'm searching for a place and I've secured a place. Ngibukile mina lapha eParadise indawo. Ngenze ibooking so I have to get there. Fanele ngihambe ngifike khona. So when ubukile na ubukele emathuneni. Ubukele nje ukuyolala phansi emhlabathini ulinde. Nami ngibukhelwe lapha yangilindile. So uspirit nayo unento ethi ngisacela ungangibulali mina ke ngalezi zinto zenu ukuhamba ngokwenyama nokubuka nokubona ngoba nami ngibukhelwe lapha ephakadeni in eternity ngine reservation ethi my spirit must return back to eternity. Kufanele ngibuyele ephakadeni yohlala phakade noNkulunkulu noma ngingasekho emzimbeni because sometimes in heaven asinayo lemzimba yenyama sizoyishiya vele sizoyikhunyula. So the spirit must find its place. Uspirit nayo uthi please help me ngihle into yami nami ukuze nami ngifike reservation. In a reservation, I need to be seated with Christ at the right hand side of the Father. But it is the spirit that goes there. It's not the flesh. It's the spirit. As we are spirit beings, we're going back to God being the spirit. So usona uyolinda lapha linda console. Now uzolinda endaweni yakho. La uzolinda khona until you join spirit again. So kuyesihlangana ndoda sohlangana phambili so sohlangana phambili masenze kahle uyabo mhlawumbe sesiyitshelane sodwa lento but befuneka umuntu akayitshela sohlangana phambili ndoda masenze kahle uspirit naye ngicela ungangibambezeli, nosoul ngicela ungangibambezeli. Bese laba ababili, the spirit and the soul, let them make a union and say, mzimba, nyama, ngicela ungangibambezeli. Nyama negazi, wena kuseduze okwakho kulula kakhulu, kulula kakhulu. You will just go and rest emathuneni. Unendlela, une-dignity, bonke abantu bayakwazi ukubona. But I still have a long journey. After I've departed from you, khona lapho engiyakhona. Kanti wena mawuphuma udilika, wena uhlala usala la. Mina nginendawo kufanele ngiyakulento ekuthiwa umidokodo lasemhlabeni lidilizwe. Sinesakhiwo. So I still uspirit usho that no, my spirit has to go somewhere la kufanele ngifike ngihlale khona, ngingene khona bese ngihlala ke phakathi. That's what we call the eternal plan of God, which will take every being to eternity. The plan will take people to eternity. Their destiny is eternity. Their eternal spirit must return to an eternal God. Ukuze baba ma-eternal beings, they need to have an eternal spirit. And an eternal spirit shall give life to the soul. And both shall give life, the soul shall give life to the body. Both shall give life to the body. Eternal spirit enikeza soul uphila, giving life to the soul. Umuntu becomes a living being. Uba umphefumulo ophilayo. Bese ke umphefumulo ophilayo unikeza uphila kule nyama ekhona. This body can only live when your spirit is alive. Umoya ufanele unikeze umzimba uphila. Umoya unikeze umphefumulo unikeze inyama. Yingakho futhi when the spirit departs kuyenzeka usoul asale ephila nje. Njengoba phela lokhazana kanjalo inyama iyakwazi ukuphila nosoul yethu. Iphile no-soul of-5 nje isikhathi eside for a long time. The soul has given life to the body for more than uba bephula 900 years or 700 years, but they were still the dead souls. It was still a dead soul that was giving life to the body. So that's a big mystery, bazalwane. Imfihlakalo ke bifihlakele enkulu kakhulu edinga ukwaziwa abantu. The fact ukuthi uyaphila, ungacabanga ukuthi uyaphila ukuphila. A dead soul can give life to your body for a long time. But for you to be sure that you are alive and uyaphila, you need the Spirit of God that resurrected Christ from death to give life to your soul, and then it both shall give life to your body, and then you know you are alive. Because at the same time, ukhona umuntu ongephile enyameni kodwa kutholakala ukuthi emoyeni nasemphefumulweni uyaphila. Yicebo likaNkulunkulu ngelelo ke naphakade. Alimisa walisekela kuKristu Jesu. God fulfilled that plan through Christ. So Christ is a mystery. That's what I wanted to say, that Christ is a mystery on its own. This is a book. That's how we read the Bible. So when you go to read the Bible and the scriptures, you need to have this overview. You need to have this revelation. Uma ke uya kulo iBible, to the Holy Bible, usunayo lento, then that's when the Holy Spirit will teach. Usuyothi mawufunda amavesi bese uyazi ukuthi how do I fit them into a bigger plan. The verses, the scriptures we read are the pieces of the puzzle of the big plan. Then as you take the piece and fit it, and take the piece and fit it, at the end of the day uphunyelwa a bigger plan. I-plan, i-puzzle ephelele. Yempilo ke manje yakho. uNkulunkulu usaqeda uJesu, sekuwumuntu ukuthi ke angene ecebeni likaNkulunkulu uKristu Jesu. Yilokho ke bazalwane ebengizama ukuchaza, ebengifuna ukwambula. Ilento ku-Ephesians chapter 3 verse 10, the many-sided, the eternal plan of God, and the many-sided wisdom of God about the change. That is who we are. We are God in a man. Amen.